Hi, how are you? Good morning. I am teacher Joel and I'm your science teacher for today. I was then a cover science teacher at Saraburi Witayakum School back last January to March this year. Okay? For our warmer for this morning, let's play a game. Our game is called word composition. I will group you into three and I will give you this paper cuts, and each of you will form a word. And the first group to form the word will have an additional points. Okay, let's start. I will give you 30 seconds for that to compose a word. Okay, and we will be back right after 30 seconds or at the end of our discussion. Okay, let's proceed. So, good morning again. Once again, I'm teacher Joel. Okay, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe matter, describe the three different states of matter. You will be able to describe how matter can change states, and you will be able to identify solids, liquids, and gas or gases. So our topic for this morning is all about states of matter. Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything around you is matter. The air you breathe is matter. The water you drink and the food you eat, they are all matter. But they are different kinds of matter. The air you breathe is a gas that floats all around you. The water you drink is a liquid. It flows smoothly down your throat. And the plate that holds your food is a solid that you can hold it in your hands. The different states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases are the different states of matter. Some things can easily change states. Okay? Water is a liquid. If you freeze it, it will become ice, or it will become solid. Ice is a solid. Okay? If you boil it, it will become water vapor, which is gas. Okay, next. Let's learn about solids first. Solids have different shapes. A book is a solid in a shape of a rectangle. A ball is a solid in the shape of a circle. Solids are made of little pieces called particles. They are packed closely together. They can move across each other or float away into space. Okay. Solid can be hard as a block or soft as a blanket. It can be heavy like a boulder or light like a feather. It can be hot like a pizza, or it can be cold like an icicles. Okay, here are some objects. Can you figure out which of these objects are solid? Okay, let's identify solid. A toy car, a book, and a cup. They are all solids. Let's learn about liquids now. Liquids do not have shape. They take the shape of the container they're in. It can fill a round bowl, or it can fill a tall glass. Water is a liquid. Okay? Liquids are also made of little pieces called particles. Particles are held together closely. They move and slide across each other. Okay. Liquids are soft and not hard. It can be hot, like a mug of hot chocolate. It can be cold, like a glass of cold lemonade. Okay, here are some objects. Can you identify which of these objects are liquid? Okay, let's identify liquids. Honey. Orange juice is a liquid. And milk. They are all liquids. Let's learn about gases now. Gas is a substance with no definite volume and no definite shape. Gas particles are not held together. They float away and fill up the space they're in. Okay. A gas can be heavy or light. A gas called helium is lighter than air. That's why a helium balloon stays up. Okay. It can be cold. When you go out on a winter day, you can feel the cold air. And when you come in, you can feel the warm air. Okay. Can you identify the different states of matter in this pictures? Here, ice is a solid. Water is a liquid. and clouds is gas. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you all next meeting. So let's go back to our game. So whose group composed first? Okay. So it's the group 2. So what's your word? It's all about liquids. Okay. Clap your hands to group 2. So group 2 will receive additional points. Okay? So once again, thank you and good day. Bye-bye. Take care.